In primetime news this evening, disaster zone. Jacks Hill residents' homes on the threat as housing development triggers massive landslide. Bike crashes, tearing apart families and the health system. The focus on tvjnews investigation. And residents call for extension of SOE in St. James following peaceful 12 days.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, from July there have been many discussions surrounding what the separation package would look like for the former senior executives at the NCB Financial Group, and it appears that we're closer to getting that answer. I'll have the details a little later on.
The figures in this instance. Jordan Fort, what's coming up in Primetime Sports? There's a big story about, is it Elaine Thompson-Herah?
Yes.
Well, Archie, yeah, no prizes for guessing the big story there. The coaching search ending for the two-time double Olympic sprint champion, as well as a big shake-up in West Indies cricket in terms of the captaincy structure. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
Ignore West Indies cricket. Yay for Elaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what's your reaction to the announcement that Elaine Thompson-Herah has a new coach?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us, or rather, and
Post on
X at TVJ News Center.
I'm never going to get used to that name. Stay with us. The news in detail after the break.